Look, I'm here, babe. Say hi. We are at. Where are we at?
Guadalupe River.
Comal River in Landa Falls.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Landa Falls tubing. Comal. Oh, I'm cold. Hold on, babe. Cheese.
There is a rock.
See cheese. See cheese. Oh, the daddy's over there.
There was a tag. Mom.
Huh?
There was a tag right there.
Oh, be careful, look. Push it. Push the rock. Push that rock. Push. Push. Put the shoes back, babe.
Let me have some of that cord so I can
Huh? You not you.
the cord longer so I can.
Pardon. Okay, hold on. Hi, Chloe. Look, Harry.
Hi.
Let's go, Dad. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Me. Just be in the camera. Let's go, paddle, paddle. What's that?
Thunderstorm?
Thunder? There's thunder. There are cars that is camping there by the road and fishing, kids fishing under that.
Let's go for a walk. We can walk around the
Is long after over there.
Let's go for a walk. Let's walk all day.
We'll get out from here. The stairs is here. There you go. Here's the shoots right there. Yoo-hoo! Are we ready? So we're gonna go in that canal. Over there. Little canal. This is it. The final. Hold on. I want to see. Yay! Yoo-hoo! Watch out! Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! This is the fun ride right here. Yoo-hoo! That is it! Hey! 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 river. Tube shoot ahead. Oh, hey, babe, there's tube shoot ahead. Motion, tube shoot ahead. Okay, so this is the tube shoot. Where is it? Okay, lay down. Oh my God!
Dad, no!
Chloe, hold on. Dad is there. Look. Dad, come on. Hold on, we're gonna wait for Dad. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Daddy is there. Hold on. That's a tube shoot, Chloe. Wait for Dad. Dad is over there. Where's the dad? Okay, we'll stop by over there and we'll wait the dad.
No, you just go.
The snake. Put the snake down. Somebody is doing that one. Oh, that guy's over there. That guy's doing the snake. When the snake went down, I didn't turn my camera on. That's a fake snake. The snake's over there. Fake snake. The snake, fake snake over there. Those guys did it over there. They sit over there to maneuver the snake. The snake is over there. That tree. These guys must have fun. Prank, snake prank. Not gonna do that.